Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I post book related videos. Today's video is a book haul video. The last book haul of the year where I will show you 15 books that I recently received or purchased. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book is Chandigarh Unmasked by Vibhor Mohan. Vibhor Mohan is a senior journalist with the Times of India at Chandigarh. This is his debut novel. This gorgeous book cover has the pictures of Open Hand Monument, which is the official emblem of Chandigarh, and the Capitol Complex, which is UNESCO World Heritage Site. It also has a picture of a Harappan artifact. The tagline of the book says, "A young city's Harappan past," which has made me quite intrigued to read this book. I received this review copy from the author and I can't wait to read it. The next 3 books were sent to me by The Browser, which is a leading library and bookstore situated in Sector 8 Chandigarh. The first book they sent is Dust Over the Mustard Fields by Ranjit Pawar. I am currently reading this book, which is set in the pre-partition era. The book tells the story of Nemo, who was married at the young age of 16, and her life goes through unimaginable twists and turns. It is quite interesting so far. I'll share my thoughts about the book once I am done reading it. The next book is The POW Who Saved Kashmir by Brigadier Jasbir Singh and Pankaj P. Singh. I've already read this book and loved the tale of this forgotten hero. I've also done a detailed review of this book. I will leave the link in the description box. Do check it out. The next book is Twice Born by Sara Ghorchoglu. I hope I'm pronouncing the name of the author correct. The author is a life coach and the book is inspired by real life case studies. The tagline of the book says, "Spiritual insights from real life stories, finding myself, guiding others," which pretty much sums up what the book is going to be all about. The next 3 books are the ones that I won in a giveaway contest organized by a fellow booktuber, Kinzal Parekh. The first book is 38 Bahadurabad by Zeba Sadiq. In this book, Zeba Sadiq recounts her early childhood in Karachi, Pakistan through a series of anecdotes. It's a short book and can be easily read in a day or 2. I have heard many good things about the book and I'm looking forward to reading it. The next book is Fractured by Karen Slaughter. This is book number 2 in Will Trent series, but I think it can be perfectly read as a standalone. I've never read this author before, but the book has got very good ratings on Goodreads. And since I love thrillers, I'm really looking forward to reading it. The next book is The Secrets She Keep by Helen Cross. The title sounds quite interesting. Again, this is a new author for me, so let's see how this goes. Now let me show you the books that I bought for myself. The first one is The Archer by Paulo Coelho. Paulo Coelho is one of my favorite authors, so when his latest book came out, I was quick to order. This beautiful hardcover has gorgeous illustrations. It is a short book and can be easily read in a day or 2. I have already read this book and I just loved it. My advice to you will be to go slow with this book because there is a lot worth pondering upon. The next book is Dracula by Bram Stoker. Dracula is 1897 gothic horror novel. It is famous for introducing the character of the vampire Count Dracula. I generally don't read horror fiction, but this is one classic that I am keen on reading. The next book is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Now this book needs no introduction. This journal of Anne Frank is perhaps one of the most moving and most read accounts of Holocaust. I have read a few excerpts of the book, but never the whole book. I wanted a physical copy of my own and now I have it. Can't wait to read it. The next book is The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood. Sunshine from the booktube channel Kissakhor was unhauling some books and I bought this one from her. It is in such perfect condition, almost like new. This dystopian novel is quite popular one and now it has a sequel too. It has been on my TBR since long and now that I have a copy of it, I am soon going to read it. The next book is What I Talk About When I Talk About Running by Haruki Murakami. This is the second book that I bought from Sunshine. Again, this book is in a very good condition, almost new. In this book, Haruki Murakami talks about his interest in long distance running. The next book is The CEO Factory by Sudhir Sitapati. Written by an executive director of Hindustan Unilever, this book is all about marketing and management lessons. This book is a highly recommended one for B-schoolers. I bought this book for my son, but going by the good reviews this book has got, I'm definitely going to read it once he is done with it. The next book is Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. Shoe Dog is a memoir by Nike co-founder Phil Knight in which he chronicles the history of Nike, from its early days of struggle to becoming one of the most profitable companies in the world. This is going to be a very interesting memoir and I can't wait to dig in. And the last book is Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson. This book has been on my TBR since long and finally I have a copy of it. My son is currently reading it and he is in love with this book. He is not much of a reader, and so when he is glued to a book, the book must be really good. So this was my last book haul of the year. Have you read any of these books? If yes, do share your thoughts in the comment section. And also share with me which books you have purchased recently. And if you have liked this video, please like, comment and share. And if you want to see more bookish content like this, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till my next video, bye and take care.